Is AI going to replace me? I hear this question from photographers constantly, and as a photographer myself, I get it. That fear you're feeling, it's not irrational. Honestly, I think it's earned. When you see AI products that don't just assist photographers, but quietly try and remove them from the equation, that should concern you. And that's not being anti-technology, that's being awake. I've been a working photographer. I know what this job actually demands. I've been up at 2 a.m. after a full shoot, staring at a screen, wondering how I ended up spending most of my life on work that had nothing to do with why I picked up a camera in the first place, but rather just being behind a desk. That moment, that's why I got involved in building Aftershoot. Not because I wanted to start an AI company, but because I didn't want AI in photography to be shaped by people who've never lived this reality, who've never gotten back from a shoot and had to do the work. And here's the line we draw. Photography has many creative expressions: shooting and editing, retouching, storytelling. Different photographers love different parts of that process, and that matters. Our job isn't to decide what's creative for you. Our simple belief: AI should reduce the weight of the work that drains you so you can spend more time on the parts that define you, whatever those are. And that line isn't theoretical for us. We will never build tools that generate photos you didn't take. We will never replace real moments with fabricated ones. We will never erase the photographer from the process. That's not innovation. That's not the direction we think the industry should go. And we're not interested in it at all. We've watched too many talented photographers walk away, not because they fell out of love with photography, but because the grind made it unsustainable. The constant workload made it too hard. Aftershoot exists just to push in the opposite direction. Photographers don't need AI that makes them feel disposable. They need tools that give them time, energy, and longevity. We're photographers first, and as long as we're building Aftershoot, photographers will always remain at the center of the process.